Welcome to A Day in the Life with Professor V, your favorite community college math teacher. So I woke up a little bit before 6, and then I always just down a full glass of water before my coffee. Gotta stay hydrated. I have my coffee pot on a timer, so it was ready for me as soon as I woke up. Just put some half and half in there. And then I usually come sit down on the couch and I'll answer some emails and do a little bit of grading while my body wakes up. I'll put some Seinfeld on or something I've already seen just for background noise. I hate a quiet house. And then I hop on my little spin bike that we have in the office, and I did a little 45-minute Hidden Hills with Kendall, love her. Quick rinse, and then it's time for my little smoothie. I just put a bunch of frozen fruit and then one of those Premier protein drinks. I love it. Right now I'm obsessed with chocolate peanut butter. So good. And then I get ready to go to hot yoga. So today was cardio sculpt. I'm walking to class. I have my ice water. I like to get there at least 10 minutes early because I like to be in the front row, see myself in the mirror and make sure my form is on point. There I am warming up. All done with class. It was super sweaty, super melty, love it. And then time for shower number 2. And then now I do my makeup. Just quick, easy. I'm a drugstore girly all the way. I don't really have a lot of fancy, expensive makeup unless it's been gifted to me. That's the same blush I've been using for at least 10 years, but I love it. And then I do have some Fenty highlighter. That makes me feel fancy. And a Chanel mascara. That was a gift. It's good stuff. I used to have lash extensions, but honestly, filling them got to be a pain, and my lashes are pretty good on their own. I'm not washing my hair today, so I just found some. My mom gave me that dry shampoo. It's supposed to be better chemicals in it. I haven't researched it yet though, so I'll double check. And then I'm trying to pick what earrings to wear. I just change out my bottom piercing. I have a bunch of piercings. I just leave them as is. Look how cute. I love them. And then time for perfume. This is Narciso Rodriguez's newest one. I love it. And then some setting spray. And we're good. Don't worry, I'll fix my hair, guys. And then, oh, I forgot I needed to prep some dinner before I left for the day. So I just sauteed up some onions, ground beef, garlic, and then I put it in the crock pot with Rayo's marinara because I was gonna be gone and I didn't wanna just leave it simmering on the stove. Dangerous. I don't usually do the crock pot unless I'm gonna be gone all day. So I'll just let the sauce sit in there on low. And then my husband actually worked from home today, so we DoorDashed lunch. Just some kebabs, salad, and then here's my outfit for work. Always all black, pretty much. See, I fixed my hair. And then I totally forgot once I got to work that it was a day in the life. So here's one of my classes. I taught another class before that. This is Calc 1. They're so sweet. I love them. Just a few of the students. Not everybody wanted to be in my video. So they look so happy to be here learning calculus with me. All done for the day. Finally home. It's dark, but it was a great day. We got a lot of work done. I really do love my job. And as soon as I'm home, immediately makeup off, sweats on. There I'm boiling my noodles for dinner, and I'm enjoying one glass of wine. Time for bed. Forensic files is my usual, and then off to